hari ni kita nak buat delivery kereta. It's an M340. 4 sekawan beli. They're not working in the same company, they're different companies, but they're buying the car with together lah, all of them together. So come, let's go and see them. Today is the collection of the car.
Yeah, Shariman was very helpful and offered us a very good customer service, so we are very happy with our purchase. The experience of test driving the car was very smooth. Purchasing process was very smooth, and yeah, the delivery of the car is also very well organized. So we are really happy with the purchase.
I must say with Shariman lah, the whole process is very good. Start from test drive all the way until I get the car. I must say the service is memang mantap sekali lah, betul-betul mantap. So you want to buy a BMW, you should find Shariman lah. We love the car, and also we got a very good SA lah. You know, the SA actually make us even more excited to get the car lah.
Test drive lah,
test drive experience is crazy lah.
Driving experience and also handling, because I'm used to be a BMW owner, so the driving experience is something that you need to test drive. If you need to test drive, you need to find Shariman because he can give you the best test drive experience. I can say no one can beat.